Alright guys, we're back with the F250 today. And what we're going to be working on today are rain guards. We got the Weathertech rain guards, both front and back, for the old girl, new girl. And when you open it up, you got the front, and the back's going to be under here. I took a peek already, and this set is different than my others because my old ones popped in place or used 3M tape. These are going to use clips, and I'll show you how to use those. But now that the tint has cured up long enough, we can get to installing these suckers. Alright guys, and we're back with the Super Duty. Alright, off camera, we already did the driver's side. It's looking good. So now we're going to come over to the passenger side and show you how we're going to do these today. Now, I have that window all the way down to make it easy to work with. This window, per the instructions, only wants it open an inch and a half, a little bit. So we got that going for it right now. We will start with the back window. So we'll come over here, and as you see, we have some things laid out. You have your tool that comes with the kit. You have those which are for the rear, so we only have 2 left. And then this is for the front. We'll get to that later, but let's start with the rear. We're going to take these two, and we're going to take that tool, and we're going to take our rear on over here. While I struggle. Alright, so I'm going to pass the camera off to Melissa. And basically, on this tool here, I don't know if you can see that, it has the 3-inch mark. So it says to do it 3 inches in from each side, so we're going to call this about 3 inches right there. You're going to pop the tool up in there, pull down a little bit on an angle so it grips it, and then what I like to do that worked really good is take this clip, put it over the top of the tool, push a little bit, then push the tool up, take the tool out. That's seated in there. Okay. Alright, now we're moving to this side, so we're going to be about here. So stick it up in there, push up on the tool a little bit, put it over the top of the tool, and then push in and push up, and it's in there. Pop the tool out. You got the 2 clips now the way they wanted it installed. So now we're going to peel our stop sticker. Excuse me while I have no nails and struggle with this. I'm going to get both these stickers off. Now, this is how it goes. You got the flared end towards the back of the truck. And what you're going to do is angle it like this so you can get it in the channel. And then you're going to get it to where the clips go under this. And then you kind of just push it up into the channel and push up evenly. And then you can check on the inside. You'll see and feel that that little hook is grabbing the radius on the top here. And that's it. We'll roll it up. Alright guys, now for the front one. So this is the front clip, and this is a piece of clear plastic tape to go on said clip. We're going to take both of those, and these are the instructions for the front. So this is where the clear tape comes in. We'll be doing that on the clip off camera, and then we'll show you where this is on the truck, and we'll get to installing it. Alright, so now we got our clip with the clear plastic tape on there. You come over here to the side mirror and you pop it down next to the plastic, but as far forward as you can. I'm not going to stay till we get this in here. So what we're going to do is finagle this up and down into the seal while pushing this clip forward and pulling back, and then get that in there. So once that's in there, it kind of holds itself. Now this is the really tricky part that no one likes, because you got to take this out quite a bit, and you have to bend this sucker like you're about to break it and set it back in there, and we need it much lower.
I think you have to leave it about an inch and a half down, 2 inches almost.
And now we're going to come over here and finesse it in little by little, and you kind of have to use one hand to hold this rubber piece up that gets caught, and use your other hand to get it in the track. So this front half is looking beautiful, and this other half is kind of stuck on the window right now, and it sounds like you break it, but you didn't. And now it is up in there. But the tricky part is yet to come with these automatic windows. Now that we installed the rain guard, these auto windows have a safety feature to auto down if it gets caught. So that's the one issue with these rain guards, where you have to up it little by little.
Oh.
And it's made it past the rain guard right now.
Yep.
And we're going to keep moving it up. Alright, this one up. See? So we'll get it up to here, and now we'll do it little by little. Alright, now it's up there, and the instructions say that we need to leave it for 48 hours. So we're officially done. We're going to shut the door, leave the truck front windows alone for 48 hours, and hopefully that lets the rubber and plastic mold to the new rain guards in their permanent home now.
In the event it doesn't actually close the way that it should, try pressing on the window as you roll the window up. That worked on the driver's side. So maybe have somebody else help you push on the window while you slowly roll it up, but otherwise it should be fine.
Yep.
Alright, that concludes this video. Like, subscribe as usual, and we'll catch you on the next one.